Hello everyone. Today, we are going to focus on a quote by Chris Grosser. He said, "Opportunities don't happen, you create them." Here, opportunities is a noun in plural form in the sentence, and it's an abstract noun, that is to say a noun that do not exist physically and that we cannot touch. Don't is the contracted form of do not. It is placed before ordinary verbs to form the negative form of the simple present as here with the verb happen. Happen is the base form of the verb to happen. It means to come into being or become reality. You is a personal pronoun second person singular and second person plural. It replaces names of people. Create is an ordinary verb meaning to bring something into existence in this context. Them is a personal pronoun object or complement in the third person plural. It replaces a complement which is a person or a thing in a sentence. For example, in the sentence he takes the books, we can say, he takes them.